Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Brinkley here. Just want to make this really quick video. I've talked to a couple friends of mine recently that have that I've mentioned this journal to that I wanted to order for myself, and it's super interesting to me because I need something to help kind of focus my day and kind of find more time during the day. So I bought this journal online. I wanted to try it out. I've told so many people about it now that I thought I'd make this cool little unboxing video for you to take a look at, because this thing is actually super cool when I got it. So I'm gonna kind of do this unboxing, kind of show you how it comes from the Best Self. It's bestself.co is the website. But this journal that they offer, and see if maybe it's a good fit for you. I'm not saying it is for everybody, but as I'll kind of get into a little bit later, this just works really well for me. So anyway, this is the Best Self, or the Self Journal, sorry, from bestself.co. It is a journal that they offer to kind of help you focus on your goals for a 13-week period. It normally comes wrapped up in plastic. I already took the plastic off, but I was really impressed with the quality and how it came when it got shipped to me. So I thought I'd share with you guys on this video to kind of see what you think. But when you first open it up, it's got these little magnetic clips here. You pop those and you open it up, and bam, you've got everything you need right here in the box. Here it shows you basically how to get started. You can go to this website here, kind of tells a little bit about it, but let's get into some of the things that come with it. So the first thing that comes in the box is this little booklet. It's actually quite a bit of information here, but it goes through the kind of their rules of how to use this journal. I think this is fantastic for me because I'm kind of like all over the place. My mind's running a mile a minute. It always has been. And if you were just to give me a blank notebook and say, here, you need to keep track of all your tasks for the day, or here's for your calendar, or write down notes, or whatever it may be, there's just no way I'm doing it. You give me a blank sheet of paper, I can't do anything because my mind is just running a mile a minute. This sets it up so they give you a very strict format to follow, and man, it just works. For me, it works great. If you go through here, it kind of explains all the different sections. You've got, let's see, 7 different philosophies and principles, the how to use a journal. They even give you some pretty cool examples and pictures in here to show you what you could do, you know, to actually use it and take some notes and things like that. I know you can't necessarily see that, but really good little booklet here to tell you how to use this. If books like this aren't your thing and you want to go watch videos, they have the bestself.co/get started right here on the box. You can go there too. From what I understand, it's basically video versions of what this does. So the other little sheet here is, this is just letting you know, I guess they offer it in a couple different other languages. It looks like Italian, French, German, and Spanish. So basically a little card here says morning rituals, evening rituals, take your actions, and the estimated amount of time. So cool little card there to figure out a way. I'm guessing there's some rules on how to set that up. One other thing that I thought was pretty cool they sent that I wasn't expecting actually is this little piece of paper here, which it's basically kind of something you can hang on a wall or on your door or wherever you think. But it talks about planning out your goal for the next 13 weeks, and it gives you a calendar with dates and everything like that to kind of focus on the things you have to do to get to your goal. And it's a visual representation on your wall that you see every day. This is super sweet. If you haven't done this before, I definitely recommend it because it keeps it in front of you. It keeps your mind focused on it. It keeps you going in the right direction. It saves you from being distracted. All in all, this is really cool. Didn't realize this was coming with it, but nice little touch that they add. And then last but not least, the journal. So you can see that's all that's in the box. So we don't need that anymore, other than just kind of a cool way to store these. As you get more, I guess, if you ever wanted to go back and kind of see how you went through the process, you could store your old journals in here if you wanted to keep them. But Anyway, it comes with a nice little elastic strap here to kind of keep it closed for carrying around. They do offer, and I don't have one, I'm gonna probably get one if I really do fall in love with this, but they have like a leather binding or sleeve that can go over the top of these. It makes them look super nice, super professional, and keeps them protected. And then whenever you're done with your 13 weeks, you pull this one out, you put a new one in, and you're done. So, but yeah, super nice. Has a little bit of embossing of their logo here, but other than that, nobody's really gonna know what this is except for you. And they have this, I think, in black or maybe a brown, and then this blue navy color. So when you open up the book, you've got obviously a place to put your name, your contents here. And the nice thing is, when I look at this, is you can, and I'll try to get some close-up shots, pictures that you can see, but you've got some really cool, things to sit here and write down and ask what your goals are, any progress, actions that you've taken, that keep you focused. There's some cool little inspirational quotes here, like this one's from Pablo Picasso. Yeah, this is kind of setting up your roadmap. And then as you get farther, here's, a month. The nice thing about these with most calendars that you buy or planners or whatever, you have to buy them for a certain amount of time. And then if it's, you may have to buy it 3 months ahead of time because they're set on their dates and times. This is just blank, so you can go in here and fill it in. So whenever you buy it, you can use it, or whenever you start with it. So here's your different months though. And then it starts getting into, so these are where you put, let me go back, your monthly goals. Then you get into, you go pull your information out of your month and pull it into your weekly goals. So, your weekly milestones, some notes for each individual day, habits and activities that you want to focus on each individual day. You can go in here. I like this a lot because it's kind of cool. You can go in and say, yes, I did it, or yes, I don't, or yes, I did, or no, I didn't. And then at the end of the week, you can be like, oh crap, I wanted to do that 3 times this week and I only did it twice. So it kind of holds yourself accountable. Like I said, a really good structure here for someone that couldn't come up with their own structure, pretty much. So, a couple other cool little things of ways to celebrate and make sure that you are really doing a good job at meeting your goals. As you get through the weeks here, here's 13. Then, let's see here, what's this section? Oh, this is more pages on tracking during those weeks and during those days. Actually, this is week 1. So, once you get here, then you get to your daily pages, which you can schedule out your full day here. It asks you what you're grateful for in the mornings, your targets, your goals, lessons learned, wins, tonight, what you're grateful for. So it gives you a really good way to reflect on what's going on and making sure that you're continuously going towards your goal. I love this stuff. And I think that anybody that focuses on this will be successful because it almost makes it impossible to fail. You've got all your different days here, which is the majority of the book, obviously. Let me see if I can get here to the end. I want to see how many days, because I know day 91. So cool. Day 91, you've gone through your 13 weeks, and then all of a sudden, bam, congratulations, you did it. Deserve a pat on the back. This also has some just standard pages in the back here just for taking notes. Ooh, they're perforated too, so you can pull them out if you want. That's pretty sweet. And then bam, you're done with the journal. The one thing that I also thought was really cool that I did, not saying everybody has to do it though, is, so this will last you 13 weeks. They have a subscription model where you can actually pay every 11 weeks, you'll get a new book. So then as soon as you run out of days on this one, you've already got your new one ready to go. You just pop it in your leather binder that you have, or the leather sleeve that they sell, and you're good. You keep moving forward, and you keep focusing on your goals. So anyway, that's kind of all that it comes with. I wanted to make a quick little video, try to make it as quick as I could, telling you what's in this self journal. I will, if you guys like it and you guys want to have more questions about this, let me know, and I may make another one a week or two later to see, kind of give you another update to see where I'm at. So thanks so much. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a good one. Bye.